Hello, guys. I'm gonna hold it this time. I want to show you something. I'm doing a burping video right now, and yeah, and chugging maybe with Coca-Cola. Sponsored by Coca-Cola. Bye. Whew. It's getting in my lungs. Excuse me. Oh, why am I saying excuse me? Oh, wow. So tomorrow, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'll tell you about it after my burping. And then I have a few announcements after. Wow. Done. Okay, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. A few announcements. First announcement, yesterday I uploaded like 3 videos, so check them out. Today's video is a burping video. One more thing is, stay tuned for tomorrow's review about the pop cans lids. It's a little lesson. So yeah, stay tuned for that for tomorrow. That'll be at after school, okay? Subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed all those burps. Okay? Bye-bye. Subscribe to my friend, Kyle Gamer 101. Bye-bye.